Chanel, 10 of the most expensive things it has ever made. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Popping Luxury. Here are Chanel, 10 of the most expensive things it has ever made. Number 10, Chanel Gabrielle Hobo Embroidered Wool and Calfskin Bag. If you can afford a real Chanel bag, you're doing very well. Many of the bags like this Gabrielle Hobo Embroidered Wool and Calfskin Bag, some of the hefty price tag, often upwards of $1,000. This bag in particular was listed at $2,725 on Spotted Fashion. If you're going to pay that much for a bag, you probably want people to know it. With the brand name splashed across the front of the bag like that, there will be no confusion as to where your bag is from if you add this to your collection. Number 9, Chanel Fishing Kit. You probably thought that Chanel only designed fashion items. Although fashion and beauty are what Chanel is known for, you also get to know other products from the label that have nothing to do with what you wear or how you look. Take this fishing kit for example. We bet you didn't know Chanel designed fishing kits, but you might want to think twice before buying this as a gift for someone in your life who loves fishing. According to Lux, this fishing kit will cost you around $18,000. That's just slightly more than your average kit. Number 8, Chanel Perfume Bottle Bag. We all know that one of Chanel's most famous products is the Chanel No. 5 perfume. But now you can also get the perfume in a bag version. 12,500 of these have been sold online after originally coming out as part of the 2014 Cruise collection, and are even popular with celebrities. Pop star Rihanna has been spotted wearing these bottle bags, so you know they're on trend. You can get the bag in both black and clear version. As you might have guessed, one of these bags won't come in cheap. You can grab one for $9,500. Number 7, Chanel Grand Calfskin Gold Tone Metal Black Maxi Classic Handbag. A classic Chanel handbag is often one of the first things that women buy when they've made it. The ultimate statement piece, the bag exudes elegance and sophistication. We are loving this Grand Calfskin Gold Tone Metal Black Maxi Classic Handbag, even if it is a mouthful to say. Another Chanel item that doesn't come cheap, this bag can be yours for $6,900, but a classic piece like this is worth it if you're lucky enough to be able to afford it. The bag goes with everything, adding a sense of sophistication to every outfit. Number 6, Chanel Surfboard. Here's another item you probably didn't know you could get from Chanel. In addition to designing fashion items, cosmetics, perfume, and other sporting gear, the brand also offers its own range of surfboards. It's just a tad more expensive than your regular surfboard at $7,000. You'll be able to surf in style with these boards, which come in black, white, and red. They also come with signature Chanel traveling case. If you needed any more reason to add this to your watch list, Beyonce also posed with one. Number 5, Chanel Rattan Patent CC Figurere Vanity Case Bag. This vanity case bag isn't like your regular Chanel handbags, but you can still tell it's Chanel. If it's not from the iconic logo from the elegant style of the bag, a good vanity case always comes in handy when you're traveling, and this one will set you back a cool $8,900. Despite the sizable price, which we'll tragically never be able to afford, we are in love with this vanity case bag. It gives up a strong summer vibes and is pretty unique as far as vanity cases go. It's definitely on the dream wish list. Number 4, Chanel Hula Hoop Handbag. This hula hoop handbag made headlines when it first came out. It's not hard to see why. Outrageous and show-stopping, the bag was designed to take the beach, according to late Karl Lagerfeld. It has been revealed that the bag will not go into production, although a smaller version will be available. That's probably for the best. If you're going to buy this original hula hoop handbag, it costs you around $3,100. That is quite a lot of money to spend on a bag that's probably going to be filled with sand by the end of the day anyway. Number 3, Chanel Tweed Braid Classic Flat Medium Bag. Here's another Chanel bag that we are in love with. Sadly, it's also another one that we'll probably never afford at $6,600, but we can dream. The Tweed Braid Classic Flat Medium Bag is a different style from your classic Chanel, but it would be a timeless piece to add to any wardrobe. Like many other Chanel products, this bag would enhance any outfit and bring a sense of style. Even if it does cost more than the rest of the outfit put together, well guess we'll start saving up. Number 2, Chanel Diamond Forever Handbag. The Chanel Diamond Forever handbag has been labeled with the most expensive of all Chanel products on the market. The limited edition version of the bag, which only 13 were produced, can be yours for $261,000. In some places, that's more than the price of a house. According to Lux, this bag is made out of white alligator skin. The design contains 334 diamonds that amount to 3.54 carats. On top of that, the diamonds are set in 18 karat white gold. This is probably too extravagant even for our wish list. Number 1, Chanel Bicycle. Chanel makes it possible to go fishing in style, to go surfing in style, and also to cycle in style. That's right, Karl Lagerfeld designed the limited edition Chanel bike. Only 50 of them were produced, and at $17,000 each, they are only available to the wealthy. The bicycle features the same kind of look as Chanel's signature quilted bag. It comes with a quilted pump, quilted handles, quilted flat bags which are detachable, and of course, a quilted saddle. If your life goal is to let people know that you're filthy rich, purchasing this bike would be the way to go. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. And like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the next 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.